This is a mind map of what is required for you to conduct a successful account planning. You can find it in the Biggerplate Pro portal, where you can easily download it. And I also share a URL where if you want to get a copy and an ebook at the end of this webinar, I will also provide that information. The first thing we should look at is to look at our account team. The account team is made up of different individuals. So let me use a technology company as an example. In an account team, you have an account manager, you have a pre-sales, you will also have a services person that is supporting you. And depending on how big the account is, you could even have professional services people included. If you are if you are selling, let's say photocopiers, you will have in your accounting a sales rep, you have a services person, you have even maybe your own manager or the CEO, depending on the size of the company, that makes up the accounting. Next thing we need to capture is we need to look at all the transactions that we are having with the customer, both financial information, their buying process, and surveys to try and get the feedback as to how we are performing with the customer. Let us talk about historical, for example. The next thing we'll be asking ourselves are business drivers, because customers make purchases because there are certain things that are pushing them to do it. It could be regulatory driven. It could be a change in environment, economic conditions. So we need to write down all these business and technical drivers